Hello, I'm Matthew Francis and we're outside grilling, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to do 3 different ways to make corn on the cob on the grill. What's great about grilling corn is that it's a really sweet vegetable that when you put on the grill, it gets a nice smoky flavor, and it's really gonna have a lot of great textures and flavor, and it's great to, once it's done, to roll in some butter, put some salt and pepper on it, and full on munch on it. Great tip for if you really want to have the best flavored corn on the cob for the grill. You want it to be as fresh as possible. Since it is a vegetable, as soon as you pluck it, it's going to not be as sweet, it's not going to have as much of the flavor compound. So as soon as you buy it, you want to use it, or if you can go to a local farmer's market, that's going to be incredible to have some really flavorful corn. And then you just want to make sure that when you grill it, you're going for a good char on the outside to get some great flavor. So the first way to grill your corn would be inside the husk, okay? You don't have to soak your corn in water, but sometimes if you do it, it's gonna really make sure that the moisture helps prevent it from getting too burnt on the grill. And if you put the corn into water with some salt, it's gonna brine the corn and give it some really great flavor. Okay, for the next 2 ways we're gonna grill the corn, we need to have the husk completely off for both. So how you do that is pull on the little hairs at the top and pull it back like this. You can leave this as a handle or pull it right off, and then you can just kind of pull off all these strands by kind of wiggling around. We're going to use some tin foil and place the corn on the cob down. This is a great time to season the corn if you want to do that. A little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. And since we're wrapping it up in the tin foil, it allows the corn on the inside to really steam and get fully cooked. And you're just going to wrap it up like a burrito. And the third and final way to grill your corn on the cob is just to chuck it and put it naked on the grill. The reason why I love to grill my corn on the cob naked on the grill is because the other 2 ways, they steam it, it gets fully cooked, there's a little bit of smoky essence from being cooked under those charcoals or over those flames. But when you put the kernels actually on the grill, they get charred, they get even more smoky, they get kind of blistered, and they start to caramelize, and it's just really, really great. It brings out that sweetness, and it's my favorite way to have corn on the grill. And for all 3 of these, once they're done, you can just eat them as is, or you can take a knife and cut off all the kernels and use that just to have like corn in a bowl, or you can make a corn salad, a corn salsa. There's tons of great ways you can use your grilled corn. Okay, now we have all 3 methods: corn in the husk, corn in tin foil, and naked corn on the cob, and all 3 we're gonna go put on the grill back outside. We're just gonna close the lid and let it cook for about 10, 15, 20 minutes until we have some nice char. All right, so we have some good charring happening with the corn. Yeah, yum. Oh, perfect. Okay, so it's been about 15 or so minutes. I'm gonna lift this up and see how we have the corn in the husk, corn in the foil, and corn naked on the grill. I'm gonna start taking some of them off. Look at that great color we got on here. And here we have our fully roasted corn that was on the grill, and we're gonna shuck it, which means it's taking off all the extra stuff. And see, on the inside, it's still nice and clean. And you can even hold it like a handle, put some butter on there, salt, pepper, munch on it. Perfect. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'm Matthew Francis, and if you enjoyed this video about corn, you're gonna love all the other videos that we make at Allrecipes. We do videos on grilling, corn, summer recipes, anything you could ever need and want to learn. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of that great content we do make. Down in the comments, tell me your favorite way to grill your corn, and I'll see you next time.